W kolejnym odcinku znowu zabieramy Was do wyjątkowego miejsca w Porsche Muzeum, gdzie nie każdy ma wstęp, a zobaczycie tu między innymi to. Jesteśmy w warsztacie Porsche Muzeum. To tutaj niespełna 10 osób opiekuje się całą kolekcją marki Porsche. Są w niej samochody wyścigowe, seryjne, w sumie jest ich 840, a 150 z nich rocznie przechodzi przez ten warsztat, będąc przygotowywanym na różnego rodzaju eventy. Dzisiaj mamy też wyjątkową okazję zobaczyć coś, co normalnie się tu nie zdarza, czyli samochody klientów. Są to dwa wyjątkowe auta. 917 hrabiego Rossiego, czyli pierwsze zarejestrowane takie auto do ruchu ulicznego, oraz 993 Speedster należące do Luki Trettiego, zbudowane niedawno przez Porsche Exclusive Manufacture. Wspominałem Wam o tym w trakcie odcinka w SCI. O tych skrzynkach, choć temat jest nam bardzo bliski, nie mogę Wam wiele powiedzieć. Wrócimy do tego za około 2 lata, a po całym warsztacie oprowadzi nas jego opiekun Kuno Werner.
So in this year we have the birth of the car, so the 911 Targa. That's a very interesting car. That's a nice color for me. That's the blue metallic.
You got the car in this color, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Mine is in yellow.
All right. Okay.
I have a yellow one.
Okay.
I love this. That's so fresh. The cars, the paint is very fresh. We restored the car, and the seat from the inside, it's the original. We very soft restore it and cleaned all parts. Not we say all parts brand new.
Yeah, so just to keep it in a good shape, yeah,
yes,
to drive
yes,
and
yes.
right, to look nice, yeah. Okay. Because workshop is also responsible to prepare the cars for all of the press or marketing events and to drive every car from the Porsche collection. Yeah.
Yeah, and in this year we have the birth of the Carrera GT and the 959.
Yeah.
And for the 912.
All right.
The same.
And it's also.
So that's the same project. In time here we restored the technical, only from the technical, so you don't see axle on the front and the rear. And the interior is, we pick up the parts for cleaning, very soft, and I think the car is very original.
So it's a first paint? No.
No.
It was repainted.
Yes,
but
yes, correctly. Yeah.
But got some original parts, yeah?
Yeah, that's from my spirit, I think that's original. That's patina.
Patina, yeah,
from
exactly.
A long times ago, and you see in this time the cars, the parts was older.
Yeah, exactly.
The next one, it's a very crazy car. That's a Porsche sport drive schooling.
Okay,
from the
because
90s.
I was amazed by this when I saw it first time, and I still don't know what it is exactly. So this car got no body?
Nobody.
Oh, nobody.
No.
Okay. So
only for school driving is this car. From the same today is the name from experience drive.
Zobaczcie, to jest w ogóle coś niesamowitego, bo ja szczerze mówiąc myślałem, że to jest jakiś rzeczywiście wyścigowy samochód, który jest w trakcie renowacji, po prostu zdjęto z niego jakieś, nie wiem, nadwozie z laminatu, a okazuje się, że to jest auto, które brało udział w szkoleniach Porsche Sport Fahrschule, czyli tego, czym teraz jest Porsche Experience, i to jest po prostu samochód, którym można doświadczyć kompletnie innych wrażeń. So what is exactly the reason, like, to create this car, to feel how to drive without the exterior or body, or?
That's a very lightweight, and you have a good feeling for drive.
Okay, so you can feel. Okay.
Nearly to the street. You better for feeling, and that is easier for learning.
Okay, how to drive. To jest samochód, który po prostu został stworzony po to, żeby jak najlepiej, ucząc się jeździć sportowo, czuć to, jak pracuje auto, czyli gdzie są przeciążenia, bez zbędnej masy dodatkowej. Zobaczcie, że tutaj wszystkie rurki, wszystkie jakieś elementy chłodnic, wiatraki, wszystko jest tutaj obłożone takimi specjalnymi blaszkami z otworami, żeby był dopływ powietrza, ale żeby nikomu nic się nie stało, bo tu jest po prostu wiatrak bez żadnej osłony na przykład. Tu mamy ciepłe przewody olejowe. Jest oczywiście klatka bezpieczeństwa. To jest ogólnie 964 i to zobaczcie, na przykład ona ma bardzo specjalne felgi Speedline for Porsche, czyli koła, które były zakładane tylko na 964 turbo i na Carrerach RS 3.8 ewentualnie. Także to jest też ciekawe, że do takiego po prostu torowego upalania był zamontowany taki super element z dzisiejszej perspektywy. Mamy kubełkowe fotele, też takie jak w wyścigowych Carrerach RS. Deska rozdzielcza to jest jakiś kawałek takiego metalowego pudełka. No nie no, w ogóle to jest sztos, naprawdę. W życiu w ogóle tego nawet nie widziałem na żadnych folderach, ani na zdjęciach prasowych, więc coś niesamowitego, szczególnie z dzisiejszej perspektywy, gdzie te experience'y są mega popularne. Powinni zrobić coś takiego na 992. No. Here we got Transaxles.
Yeah, Transaxles is from the next year, and very nice story. We have 50 years ago Transaxle cars.
In next year.
Next year. So and then from this 924, this is a very first version.
Mm-hmm. It's a first year of production,
Yes.
with the fuel tank outside, yeah.
Yes. From the fuel tank, you don't have the first version. Have here the signs.
Porsche sign on the window, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In the glass, you see the around
pipe.
Yeah. Except pipe.
Okay.
So and then my technical colleague Stefan restored the technical from the engine. We checked the fuel lines.
Yeah. So we got a November. So workshop is already working on the projects for the next year.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a good time for us. Yeah.
Okay.
So
and exactly the same with 928. Yeah.
Correctly.
Yeah.
That's just the same.
Also
so,
early version, yeah, with the
correctly. That's
first year of production or not?
No,
not sure.
No,
Yeah.
this is
Okay.
the 1981
Okay.
built the car, and we checked the axle parts, and you see the brake lines. We change it. That is old, and the steering. We have. The rubbers and the lines.
Right, yeah. So, but probably this car was never restored before, yeah? It's in a great shape from the beginning in the collection of Porsche.
This is a very original car. So that's a very, very interesting car. The car was driving the 940 Turbo Cup, and so I think that is the last car was building in this serial.
Okay.
So that's the last VIN number.
But the European Turbo Cup, yeah, because there was I know that 944 got lots of cups around the world, but this is European.
Correctly, yeah.
Okay.
So and from next year we have the Transaxle thing, yeah. And then the car is only from 15,000 kilometers, and the technique is very near to the serial car. The car has a plate, a legal plate
Okay.
That's very crazy.
Yeah.
And same is it's a race car.
So you can use it also on the roads, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So and my colleague Markus make the technique, and today have two problems. The screw is broken.
Okay.
Inside from the
Okay.
from the head from the engine.
Wow.
So we have a special
Czyli widzicie, nawet samochody z muzeum też potrafią mieć czasem jakieś problemy techniczne. Tu się niestety złamała śruba przy odkręcaniu, przy serwisie, ale no, poradzą sobie z tym, natomiast dodatkowy czas jest na to potrzebny.
So my colleague have a nice idea. He's make a part from the water pump and cut it and easier for make the new hole.
New hole. Yeah.
Also es ist eine Bohrschablone. Ich weiß nicht, ob das gut.
Okay, yeah.
That's easy.
Szablon. Po polsku to jest szablon.
Yeah, that is a tool.
Okay. So he changed the part into the tool to fix this.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think before 3 hours before was the part.
Okay.
And in time we cut it as in time.
Okay.
This is a tool.
We got it too. Okay.
We hope we can repair it. In this year, we have the burst of 25 years ago from Carrera GT, and then we think in the winter we repaired this fiber carbon.
Okay.
So in this year, we must drive the car. So we wait and we make later.
But it's
the
like
optic.
I saw few of these cars, and every got the same problem in different level, but happening on the. That's quite normal, yeah.
Carrera GT is an hypercar. It's a very simple, easy technique.
Yeah. So this car was driving a lot this year,
Yes,
because of the anniversary. Yeah.
We have two one from the in the Porsche Museum storage, and 2 cars was you can.
The second
drive
one is
out.
Red one, yeah.
Correctly,
Yeah, it was a few years ago. It was in Poland, and we got the article on Porsche blog about it. Yeah. Dobra, słuchajcie, jesteśmy w warsztacie, ale skoro jesteśmy przy Carrerze GT i ona jest jeżdżąca, to po prostu specjalnie dla Was musimy tego posłuchać. Can I start it? Yeah. It's cold, yeah.
It's cold. That's running a little bit higher. You wait 1 minute and you hear
How it's going
down.
Yeah. It's amazing. I love this engine and
That's
the story about this engine,
Yeah.
also how it sounds. Yeah.
Push the pedal, the gas pedal, a little bit.
Still working.
Yeah. You hear?
No. Yeah. And now to rev it more, we have to wait until it heats, but it's like 10 minutes, or more. So
In time the engine is cold.
Makes no sense.
That is a race engine for a
so you
serial
have to
car.
heat it up, and it's better to drive than to make them. Yeah. Okay.
That's good?
Yeah. Even that it's good. Jeśli chcecie więcej takich materiałów, to subskrybujcie kanał PorscheBlog.pl, bo jak nie, to ja tu po prostu zostaję w robocie.